Adventures in global travel unveils. Why is Belgium the most interesting country? Stay tuned until the end as it will surprise you. Did you know that Belgium once declared war on its own province for just 24 hours? Or that this small European country is home to some of the most bizarre festivals on Earth? Get ready, because we're diving into Belgium, a country full of surprises. When people think of Belgium, they often think of chocolates, waffles, and the European Union. But there's so much more to discover. Belgium is filled with quirky traditions, strange laws, and hidden gems, making it one of the most fascinating countries in the world. Belgium may not be your first choice for a vacation, often overshadowed by its neighbors like France or the Netherlands. But that's a mistake. Belgium turns the ordinary into the extraordinary, and I'm here to challenge what you think you know about this underrated gem. Let's start with some of Belgium's craziest festivals. Ever heard of the Kattenstoot or the Festival of Cats? In Ypres, people gather to throw toy cats from a belfry, a tradition dating back to medieval times, mixing history with pure eccentricity. Then there are Belgium's unique laws. For example, did you know it's illegal to wear a red hat while walking in some public places here? And Belgian beer is so cherished that cities have laws to protect its quality as if it were a national treasure. And Belgium's culture and history? From the medieval streets of Bruges to comic strip murals in Brussels, this country is a dream for history buffs and art lovers. If you love nature, the Ardennes region offers lush forests, rolling hills, and even the chance to spot wild animals like boar and deer. Now, let's talk about Belgian cuisine. Sure, you've heard of waffles and fries, but did you know that Belgium is also famous for its delicious mussels, or moles frites? These are typically served with a variety of sauces, from classic white wine to spicy tomato. And let's not forget about the Belgian chocolates. Godiva and Leonidas calling it home. Belgian chocolate is so beloved that it even has its own museum in Brussels. Belgium produces over 220,000 tons of chocolate every year, with some of the world's most famous chocolatiers like Neuhaus. And if you're a fan of unique snacks, you have to try speculoos cookies. Belgium might be small, but its contributions to the world are anything but. Did you know the saxophone was invented by Belgian Adolphe Sax in the 1840s? Belgium has a long history of innovation, from comic books like The Adventures of Tintin to the invention of the Big Bang Theory by Belgian priest Georges Lemaitre. Belgium is also known for pioneering techniques in art, like the development of oil painting by the Flemish masters. But here's the big surprise. Belgium has more castles per square kilometer than anywhere else in the world. Over 3,000 castles, many still in use today. Whether you're a history fan, a fairy tale lover, or just hunting for the perfect Instagram shot, Belgium's castles will amaze you. So Belgium is far more than just chocolate and waffles. With its quirky festivals, odd laws, stunning castles, and natural beauty, this country has surprises around every corner. If you're looking for a unique travel destination, Belgium should be on your list. Have you been to Belgium or experienced any of its unique traditions? Share your stories in the comments.